coming up this week on A Love for Beauty.
I'm getting stared at while I'm vlogging, of course, per usual. I got my celebrity photographer with me, Stephen Means, y'all. And we're looking for a shot. I think we found it. Trying to find a place to take some shots.
So we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
We're out here on Rodeo Drive. I got my celebrity photographer with me, Stephen Means, y'all. And we're looking for a shot. I think we found it. Trying to find a place to take some shots. All right, so we're heading out. We're gonna meet Stephen. If you guys remember him on the blog, when I was blogging a couple years back, or a year ago, and I put him on my blog. Celebrity photographer that I worked with back last year during Fashion Week when I did a pull for a showroom. Be along, and I'm getting stared at while I'm vlogging, of course, per usual.
We're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. Wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
So I'm going to Trader Joe's. I'm gonna get some salads. I've been addicted to these salads they have over there. So that's what we're gonna go do today. And you can follow me along. Thank you. Oh, yeah, sorry. I love these. My favorite. These ones are good too. I love these too, but my favorite one was. That's what we're getting. They always have the best salads here. So I love Trader Joe's. A lot of bread in it. I don't know, but it looks so good. Anytime I eat bread, it goes straight to my face. I look like I'm gonna rob a bank with this outfit. The Masked Lady in Trader Joe's. Got my salad. Got my salad. Thank you. Okay. I feel weird vlogging because whenever you vlog, you have the whole world staring at you. It's embarrassing. It's like, how do people vlog They don't like, well, because you have to hold the phone up. It's weird. I get too many people that stare at me. Feel uncomfortable. I guess that's what you have to do if you're vlogging. Oh no. It's funny. Got my Dunkin' Donuts. I'm a coffee drinker too. Oh, we've got stuff going on. Swimming stuff or whatever they're doing on the street. They got something going on. Okay, my face looks terrible. Ooh, my makeup. All natural. Yes, I usually take Uber and Lyft, but I'm doing the train today. I like taking the train. It's so convenient out here. Doesn't bother me, but it's not for everyone. I'm trying to get used to this whole vlogging thing. It's really hard because people stare at you when you're filming. I don't like that part about it. Notice how they have all the Hollywood reels, movie reels on the walls here. It's starting to get cold out here, like freezing cold.